How do you draw the Lewis structure of CO2? That is, CO2 means carbon dioxide. Look, carbon has 4 valence electron and oxygen has 6 valence electron. And here we have 2 oxygen, so basically we have here 6 plus 2, that is 12 plus 4, that is 16 valence electron in carbon dioxide. Look, let me give you some basic idea. Carbon has 4 valence electron and oxygen has 6 valence electron, right? Oxygen has 6 valence electron. Look, we know that in Lewis structure every atom needs 8 valence electrons. So here oxygen has 6 valence electrons, so it will take 2 electron. 2 electron means it will form two bonds, right? Here, and this carbon has 4 valence electron, but we need 8, so this carbon will take 4 more electrons. That is, this carbon will form 4 bonds, right? And this oxygen also need 2 valence electrons, so this oxygen will form 2 bond. So let us do this. So this oxygen will form 2 bond, and this makes sense that you have to make bonds with carbon, and this oxygen also will form 2 bonds. So this makes sense, right? So this carbon will form 4 bonds, so already this carbon has made 4 bonds. So now you have to see the number of valence electrons. This oxygen has 2 4, this carbon has 2 4 6 8. The valency electron in the carbon has satisfied the octet rule, but this oxygen still don't satisfy the octet rule. So this oxygen has 2 4, so it will take more 2, right? It will take more 4 4, so 2 4 6 8. So now this oxygen has 8 valence electron and this oxygen has 8 valence electron. Look, in this structure totally we will have 16 valence electron. Look, 2 4 6 8, then 10 12 14 16. So this structure has 16 valence electron. However, this is the Lewis dot structure of CO2, and let us draw the Lewis dot structure in another method. So look, this carbon dioxide has 16 valence electron, right? These valency electrons will be used to connect these 3 atoms and to satisfy the octets of all the atoms. This is the function of this 16 valence electron, right? So the first task is to connect. Carbon is a central atom because it is the least electronegative atom. So oxygen will be outer atom. So at first, to connect these 2 atoms with carbon, we have to use these 4 valence electrons. So already we have used 4, so we have 12 valence electron left. Now these 12 valence electron will be used to satisfy the octet of outer atom first. So this oxygen has 2, so it takes 6 plus 8 valence electron. So here we have used 2 4 6, so we have 6 left. So these 6 electron will come here, right? So look, this oxygen has 2 4 6 8, right? So the octet of these 2 oxygen already fulfilled. So now we have to satisfy the octet for this carbon. This carbon has 2 4 valence electron. We need more. So this valence electron will come equally from both oxygen, right? So we are getting here like this. And from here, now this carbon has 2, 4, 6, 8. This oxygen has 8. 2, this oxygen has 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Then this carbon has 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. This oxygen has 2, 4, 6, 8. So basically, one line means 2 valence electrons. So here we have to write 2 line. Then we can place a valence electron anywhere, right? It is better to write here because it is looking good, right? So this is the Lewis structure of CO2. I have a blog post in the description box of this video. You should read that. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.